Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Will. So I wanted to show you guys my position here on Tesla today. As you guys know, we actually entered today holding TSLS and TSLL, and I was hedging because I anticipated basically that Tesla would sell off today. This is the one day. If you look on the 1 week, we went into the weekend right here, and I wanted to hold both TSLS, which is the inverse of Tesla, and so I could basically hedge against my position and not lose anything if it went down or up. However, what we saw is today, again, it sold off as we anticipated. And then I sold my order that I was hedging um, so that I could capitalize on the dip. So I basically sold my order right here. As you can see, it filled. I don't know if we see the market fill today at average of 1724 on TSLS. So I don't know what that equates to on the inverse, but we were right around here. And since then, we've seen TSLL push up. It recovered. Obviously, it's going to show that it's down, right? Because it went down so much on the day. But because we hedged against it earlier, we're actually up 1.19% on the day. So we're having a good day so far. I think we're up a little bit over $200, and really just a bullish move after this dip. It's done better. I was monitoring it very closely here when it broke above the EMA. I would imagine it might pull back here very soon, so I might actually close this position. So that's going to be kind of the position for today. Again, if you guys want to watch me trade live and see how I made this decision earlier today, feel free to check out StockMate. It's our second link in the description. You can watch me trade live and what led to me making about 1.07% today. Just in the morning here, I'm at the airport in Colombia. So again, guys, this position is playing out as we'd like. It doesn't always work out that way, but we will see. Right now we're on a 30-second candle. It's looking quite bullish. So guys, I also recently just took a rather large position here on Symbotic, and this is a stock that is based on AI robotics. They help build out the robots that operate in warehouses. They just recently signed a contract with Walmart. So Walmart's going to be using them as a company to go in their warehouse. The robots will go and get different inventory and bring it to where it needs to go. As you can see, I'm in a rather large position. We're over 10K on this position in this trading account because I see massive potential over the next 2 to 3 days. The reason why is not only did they have some news of their recent deal with Walmart, but the fundamentals paired with the technicals make a lot of sense. If you look at the analyst ratings, we got a 70% buy. If we look at the hedge funds, we could see that they had over 2 million shares here. They sold about 2.7 million here. And ever since, the hedge funds have been buying a little bit more than they have been selling. Now, of course, I'm not saying you guys should invest in the stock. I just want to give you kind of the reasons why I'm in this stock right now. But this is a stock that if we look on the 3-month, it's down 23%. But it just recently kind of double bottomed here. And now we're seeing it push up from this using the EMA as a support. You can see it's pushed up, it then went down. It's kind of retesting the EMA here. The RSI is looking overextended, the MACD is looking overextended, but I see this as a recovery. And if we look at previous levels on the 1 year, we were up to about $58 a share. Right now, again, it's at just about $29 a share. So the MACD is not always 100% correct. Could pull back again. I'm taking some risk on this investment, but I'll keep you guys updated on how it goes over the next few days.